To use Utah Compose, the first thing you're going to do is type in the web address, utahcompose.com. When you get to this page, you will go to your user login. And I have created a user login for all of you already. And so I have your username and your passwords right here. So you probably don't know yours, but I can give it to you. So this one's mine, but I'm going to log into another student. 4594440. So this is actually your state student number, not your Bingham student number, but your state student number. And if you've never logged in before, your password is that. But if you have logged in, you've probably changed your password. So it'll make you change your password to something. And then you'll find your language arts course. And then once you get to that point, you're going to go to practice. You should only be able to see the Frankenstein essay. There should be no other prompts there for you, so it should be easy to find. And then you're going to hit begin writing. So you already wrote this, don't freak out. So what I want you to do with it is take the essay that you already wrote, your Frankenstein essay, and well, this one has a rubric on it, so I'm going to copy and paste just the essay into Utah Compose. So Control V, so Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it. Then it tells me I have 918 words. I'm going to submit it. Yes, I want to submit. And what this computer program does is it grades it for you. It will give you feedback based on your essay submission. Here's some specific feedback. So if you're going down, this one is G, so the numbers between 0 and 9 should be spelled out. So there you go. Here's another grammar thing. I don't know why it's doing that. So here, the sentence is very long. It might be better to break it up into 2 or more shorter sentences. Here's one. Same thing. Here's one. This word might be misspelled. Do you mean off? And no, he didn't. So some of the things are going to be good feedback and some aren't going to be very applicable because it's graded by a computer, not by a human. But this gives you a good starting point. So this is a very high scoring essay. I think that this essay got full points in its submission. This was one of my example essays from 2017. It was written by one of my students last year. But the score is out of 26. And it tells you, so each individual score is out of 5. So they scored really high on word choice, really high on style and sentence fluency and conventions, grammar, spelling, punctuation, that kind of thing. If you scroll down a little bit, it will give you more detailed feedback about your specific categories. So development of ideas, it gives you an evaluation of your writing and maybe some lessons that could help you improve your score a little bit. Organization, more, there's not a lot of feedback. So it'll say like, check to be sure your grammar is completely correct, make sure your essay has a variety of sentence structures and lengths, check to make sure there are no errors in spelling, make sure you use paragraphs correctly, make sure your subjects and verbs agree. So you can just look through that feedback, but I think the most helpful is going to be these individual comments that are on here. So what you'll do with those is take those comments, go back into your document, make the changes, and then you will, that's the essay that you are going to submit in Canvas with the essay prompt. So what I want you to do with this one is to attach it to the Utah Compose submission assignment. And how you do that, you will go to Control P to print the page. And instead of printing it to a printer, I want you to go to this setting and save it as a PDF. Um, on my computer, because I'm not on a Chromebook, it's going to save to my computer. But if you hit save, it should save to your Google Drive. So I'm not sure exactly how that looks, but you are likely going to have one less step than me. So I would save it here. You'll save it to your Google Drive. And then you're going to upload it just like you would any other assignment. So on your page, this mine looks a little different because I'm a teacher, but on yours, it will have a submit button right here. So you click submit, and then you go ahead and upload it as a Google Doc and then submit it. This is worth 20 points of your essay grade. So your essay is worth 20 points, and this is worth 20 points, both in the essay category. So please don't neglect this assignment. It's a very easy A because it doesn't even matter what your score report says as long as you turn it in and you make some changes on your final. So they're separate grades, but you need to have both of them in order to succeed. Let me know if you have any questions.